Top 7 Best Hitch Bike Racks 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. No frame contact loading makes the Thule Verse a standout hitch bike rack. It's fantastic for easily carrying heavier e-bikes, supporting up to 55 pounds per tray, and accommodating tire sizes up to 5 inches. The patented handle also allows easy rear cargo access, tilting the rack with bikes on. While it accepts a foldable loading ramp for e-bikes, that accessory isn't included. For serious cyclists needing robust, frame-friendly transport, this is a top pick. Number 2. Integrated LED lighting sets this rack apart. The Kuat Piston Pro X LED dual ratchet hitch rack 2-inch delivers visibility and advanced security. Its dual ratchet system keeps bikes super stable. It's a premium bike rack, perfect if you need robust, secure transport. This isn't for casual users or anyone on a budget. For high-end features and peace of mind on long hauls, it's a solid choice among hitch bike racks. Number 3. Effortless rear-of-car access defines this rack. The Yakima StageTwo 1.25-inch premium 4-bike tiered hitch bike rack truly shines with its remote tilt lever, a game-changer for getting into your trunk. Installation's quick, too, thanks to the tool-free locking speed knob. And SKS locks offer security. It handles bikes with 52-inch wheelbases and 3.25-inch tires, or 5-inch with the fat bike kit. However, it's a 1.25-inch hitch only, so if your vehicle has a 2-inch receiver, this isn't for you. For compatible setups, it's a very convenient, robust option. Number 4. This integrated gear-ready storage system changes everything. The Yakima Exo SwingBase with the DoubleUp 2 bike carrier is a modular powerhouse for truck owners. It offers versatile gear and 2-bike transport. Its swing-away arm is brilliant, letting you access your truck bed even with bikes loaded. It's durable, accommodates various bike types, and includes security locks. As a full system, though, it's more involved than a basic hitch bike rack. For serious outdoor adventurers, it's worth a look. Number 5. This trail rider makes bike transport simple, strong, and secure. It's a 2-bike hitch mount rack for 1 and 1.25-inch hitches built from sturdy alloy steel. Locking frame hooks and a keyed hitch pin deter theft. It handles up to 45 pounds per bike. However, it doesn't support e-bikes. Some kids' bikes or ladies' frames might need a top tube adapter. This bicycle car rack folds down for trunk access. Its support tubes also fold for easy storage. Weighing just 34 pounds, it's a solid, dependable choice for 2 standard bikes. Number 6. This bike rack comes fully assembled. That means no frustration or tools just to get started. Its tool-free speed knob quickly tightens and locks it to your car's 1.25 or 2-inch hitch receiver. The new zip strips secure bikes and are fully removable, with extras included. That's super convenient for storage, but being separate pieces, you'll need to keep track of them. For an easy-to-use hitch-mounted bike rack that stores away without a garage, this is a great choice. Number 7. This MaxxHaul hitch adapter adds crucial bumper clearance. That's great for rear-mounted spare tires. It converts your 2-inch receiver to a 1.25-inch opening, ideal for smaller Class 1 or 2 accessories like hitch bike racks. It handles a 350-pound tongue weight. Built from solid alloy steel, it's black powder-coated for rust resistance. Just remember, this adapter is strictly not for towing trailers. Overall, it's a versatile choice for accessories. Thanks for watching Best Hitch Bike Racks. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.